Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COWPP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance as we head into next week. First level we'll talk about are the areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 22 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 22, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. How you must visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 22 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in full ownership of the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where the party stopped on several occasions today, and that was right up there at 33 cents. You go back through the history of things, and you can see party stopped there, and then party stopped once again right up there at 33. So 33, public enemy number one going forward. Oh, and although resistance levels really don't matter, what do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as this price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and just chipping away at those higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.